Hey, I'm Michael from Distro Mike, and today we're going to be letting you know, is HHC stronger than Delta 8? And the answer is, well, it depends what you're looking for. Now, if you're looking to get couch locked and sort of be stoned and lazy and you don't want to be productive or active, I would definitely recommend a Delta 8 high. If you're someone who is active, needs to be doing things, be productive, I would recommend HHC. So HHC is going to be a more cerebral head high, meaning you're going to feel more high in your head, less high in your body. Delta 8, on the other hand, is going to be more high in your body and sort of less high in your head. I would describe the head high as, groggy, lazy, tired, non-productive, while I would describe HHC the complete opposite. Both of them being high, there's different types of high. So if you want to be productive, try HHC. If you want to be couch locked and have a lazy day, smoke Delta 8 all you want. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any other questions, please let us know. I'm Michael from Distro Mike, and we are the educational hub for everything CBD, vape, and more.